Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect to your Wi-Fi network over the command line interface. If you just check out the Wi-Fi icon on your right, you can see that not connected, connection are not available. Okay, to do that, just simply log into the Windows command prompt as administrator. Okay, now at the interface of the Windows command prompt, there are several commands that you have to type in, but you can check out the description. I'm going to put the list of commands that you need to key in for you to get connected over the command line interface. Okay, the first command you're going to type in is the network show command, wireless LAN show profile. Okay. Now this command simply is to display a list of all networks that you have once been connected to. Let's take, for example, in this video I'm going to show you how I can get connect to the Wi-Fi network Javier. You can find here, because this is my Wi-Fi network name, Javier. Okay, the second command you're going to type in is the netsh wireless LAN set hosted network mode equal to allow secure set identifier, quotation open. My network name is Javier. Now at this level you key in the name of your network, Javier, space, and key equal to, at this level you key in your password. The password to my Wi-Fi network is Javier @123. Okay, now once you have done that, just simply press enter. Now you can read the information being displayed here. The hosted network mode has been set to allow. The secure set identifier, SSID, stands for secure set identifier of the hosted network, has been successfully changed. The user key passphrase of the hosted network has been successfully changed. So the last command you're going to type in is the netsh wireless LAN connect secure set identifier equal to, you type in the name of your network, since the name of the network is Javier, name equal to you can type in the name of the network again, Javier. Okay, now once you've done that, press enter. You can see that connection request was completed successful. Now you can realize that if I check at the bottom right corner, the Wi-Fi icon, you can see that I am now connected to the internet. So that is just a way you can get connected to your Wi-Fi network over the Windows command line interface. So thanks for watching and thanks for your time. If you haven't subscribed at the beginning, please kindly do so to promote the channel, and the commands will be given at the video description. Thanks, and see you in my next video.